Okay.
316 Publishing just sent me a box, and I have no idea what's in it. So we're going to do an unboxing. So let's see what we've got here. It might be something really, really cool, which I suspect it is. And of course I will do a full review on anything that's in here. But just to give us an idea of what we're going to be looking at here pretty soon. Let's see what we got. They have packed this really tight. Well, would you look at there? Well, let's see what we got here. What is this? Bella paper. Greeting cards. Some little card about their greeting cards. And we can tell what this is right here. That is the Scripture Study Notebook New Testament set. We'll open that in a second. Let's see what this is. Legacy Standard Bible. I have no idea what cover that is. Some more material there. 95,000 references, 14,000 footnotes. So this is the inside column reference, Legacy Standard Bible, in black faux leather. Let's open that real quick. If I remember where I put my knife. Remember, always cut away from you. Easier said than done when you have something with gilt. I'm always afraid I'm going to cut into that gilt. So let's see what we have. I'll do full reviews on these. This is their newest Bible, I think. Put that down. That looks good. That does not look like fake leather. And there's what it looks like on the inside. Single column reference with inside reference. That looks pretty cool. Love that red. That's a dark red. I am a fan of dark red. Yeah, that looks good. So I'll be reviewing that really soon. So let's set that aside for now. See what else is in here. That is heavy. That is what's made this box so heavy. Legacy Standard Bible Scripture Study Notebook New Testament set. So let's see what we got. Knife safety. Oh, that looks nice. Those are larger than I expected. I didn't know I was getting this, but I knew they were making it. And that's larger than I thought they would be. Those look good. Let's get him open here. Now these are tall. I like that case too. I like a slip case. So these are paper. Looks like paperback. That's a good size. Scripture notebook. So that tells me it's going to have scripture on one side and notebook on the other. And it's a black letter edition. Well, there's a lot of space in there. That's good thick paper too. Yeah, that's really thick paper. Those are made well. I like that. Okay, so that's what's in the mystery box from 316 Publishing. I'll be reviewing these pretty soon. The Legacy Standard Bible. And that is the Scripture Journal set, New Testament set, and then the inside column reference, which looks really nice. All right, watch for reviews coming soon.